welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to do this wonderful Niger Delta praise. This should be like the part 2 of the Niger Delta Warrior praise. Alright, so quickly let's go to the keyboard in the key of D flat or C sharp. Now the voice I'm using is the jazz guitar voice. The jazz guitar voice, then I added harmony, and my harmony type is echo 1/8. That's why you will see the key blinking like this. Okay, so first of all I'll show you what I was playing on my left hand. There are two grooves here, but they are similar. So I'll show you what I played on my left hand. It's simple, and then I'll show you what the groove on my right hand. Now this is assuming you have a bass guitarist. Urobo praises or Niger Delta praises are best done with bass guitarists to give you that bass line grooves behind, so that you have the freedom to do what you want to do. So on my left hand I'm playing triads with the following chords. So you start with the 5 chord, and the 5 chord, this is how the voicing goes: the 7, the 2, and the 5. So this is the first chord. The next is the 4 chord. So the 4 chord is the 1, the 4, and the 6. Then the next chord is the 1 chord. Normal 1, 3, 5. So 5, 4, 1, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4, 1, 5, 4, 1. Just like that. That is what your left hand is going to play all through. Now the next part is my right hand. The first groove goes like this. So it goes like this. The first part is, so 1, 2, 1, 3, 5. Then you end with the 4, 5. So 1, 3, 5, 4, 5. 1, 3, 5, 4, 5. Then the next part is the 7, 7, 2, 5, 4, 5. So when you add everything together, it goes like this. That's the first groove. And now let me add my left hand. So your right hand plays before your left hand. So the right hand plays the 1 chord. Then by the time it is going to the 5 chord, your left hand plays the 5 chord, and then continues the groove from there. So right hand starts first. Let me show you quickly the second groove. So this is easy as well. So it is starting on the 3, the 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 6, back to 1. That's the first part. Then the next part is 2, 5, 7, 6, 1, 6. So So the first one, so you can add the 5 and end it with the 6th one. Now let me add the left hand. Now if you play everything fast, you are going to get your groove. Now, thank you for watching. I want you to hit that subscribe button, like the video, share amongst your friends, and drop your comments if you want me to break down anything, any worship, praises, makosa, area. So, thank you. If you are a new, this is the first time of visiting this channel, I want you to hit the subscribe button because it helps the channel a lot. Thank you and God bless you. See ya.